Good morning. Hope you're great. I feel great too. Welcome to our vocabulary lesson. Today we are going to learn about rooms and spaces, mostly of homes or houses, apartments. We've been seeing previously other places of our houses, like the kitchen, like the bathroom. Those are very common, but I will make a quick review for you so you can remember them. Remember, the kitchen is a place where you cook, where you have your breakfast or dinner. The dining room, its name is from dinner. Dining room is where you can eat also. Is a room where you have table and chairs, and you can have a meal there too. The living room is where you hang out mostly. Many houses have a TV in the living room and couches, sofas, tables. That's the living room. The bathroom is where you take a shower. The bathroom is where you go to sleep. And that's the place where you hang out most of the times, okay? Today we are going to see some other words related to rooms and spaces of a house. Many houses don't have these places, mostly in Mexico, but in the US, Canada, and other countries, they usually have mostly the attic and the basement. Okay, I'm going to describe these words to you. I'm going to read them for you, and to model pronunciation for you first, and then I will give a brief description of those words. Okay, the first one is attic. Attic with double T. The second word is balcony. Balcony. The third word is basement. Basement. The fourth word is garage. Garage. The fifth word is guest room. Guest room. The sixth word is hall. Hall. The seventh word is porch. Porch. The eighth word is study. Study. The ninth word is terrace. Terrace. And the last word is workshop. Workshop. Okay, let's go with the first word. The first word is attic. The attic is a room from houses that it's like above the ceiling that you can see in a house. For example, your house has two floors. In the first floor, where you go to sleep, some houses have like another room above yours, and sometimes it has like a stairs, and you can go through those stairs, open like a little door, and you can have a lot of things there. Many people use that room to put things that they didn't know what to do with. Okay, that's the attic. The balcony is, some houses have like a window with the door, and you open that door and you can step out. And some houses have like a table and some chairs there, and you can rest. And it's many times, no, all of the times it's outside the house. Like you have to open and get out, and that's a balcony. Yeah. The basement is underground. Underground. Imagine that we are downstairs and we open a door and we walk through those stairs down and we get to the basement. Then the garage is similar in Spanish. We use this word a lot. Is where you can park your cars. And some people have like tools to work and things like that. The guest room is another bedroom where you can receive visits. When your grandma or an aunt or an uncle, a cousin comes to your house to visit, he can spend time in the guest room. He can sleep there, okay? He or she. This word is also used sometimes in Spanish. The hall is like a hallway. It's a space where you can walk, and it's free of furniture many times, and it's like just an aisle where you can walk. Okay? The porch is in the front part of the house. It's like another room but outside, and sometimes you have also chairs and tables where to rest. And it's in front many times of the front door of the house. The study is where many people have their computers or where they work. They have books and sometimes even a library there, okay, and bookshelves. The terrace, it's outside the house, but it's mostly in the garden where you have plants and trees. And the terrace is where you have like another table and chairs, maybe a bench, and there you go to relax. And finally, the workshop. The workshop is a room specially used to work with things like with wood, or some people that used to work with, I don't know, paper or stuff. They use that room to work and they have tools there. Many people have workshops and even they use them to do their jobs. Okay, a workshop, as the words say, work, and shop is where you go to work, but in home. Okay, these are the words from the lesson. There are more words in the lesson of the book, but these are the ones that you have to learn. Remember, to learn these words, you have to write them down a few times, at least 3 times. Write them down, and then you have to search or look up for their meanings, and then you can write sentences using these words. An exercise that can help you to do this is to draw a house, well, better than this one. And to, for example, if I'm going to learn attic, I can draw here the attic and I put here attic. And if I'm going to talk about the basement, to understand it, that is underground, I'm going to put here basement. And if I'm going to learn balcony, I can draw like a window with its doors open. And that's a cool way to learn this places of the house and the others that I hope you understand right now. Okay? This was the lesson of vocabulary of today. Hope you're amazing, you're feeling awesome. I send you a lot of hugs. And stay at home. Take care of yourselves. Bye.